In today's video, we want to talk about 5 ways to make your chicken to lay more. This one is for people raising layers bed. Ways to make your chicken lay more. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to make your chicken or layers bed to lay more. Number 1 is access to clean water. Your chicken need clean, fresh water every day to support their body need. I know you see them drinking from muddy puddle and dishes, but they really should have clean water. That murky water you see them drinking may contain parasites and bacteria that can make them sick. If hen become dehydrated, they will not lay egg, and it will take them a few days to start laying again. So take note of that one. The second way is reducing stress. Chicken can get stressed by small and inconsequential things such as change of feed, loud noises, a squirrel in the run, and other trivial things that could not even think about. It is your job as a farmer to try and keep the stress down to a minimum if you want your chicken to lay eggs. Number 3 ways is calcium. A hen that lacks calcium will lay soft shell or shellless egg. Soft shell egg look like regular egg, but when you pick them up, they are not hard. They are quite malleable in the hand. A shellless egg look exactly like its sound. There may be a thin membrane holding everything inside, but there is no solid shell. The number 4 way is enough space. Chicken do not like to be cramped together. They like having enough space to flap their wings inside the coop. Each chicken should have 4 square feet of space, and outside in the run, they each need at least 8 square feet. Just remember that crowding them can lead to health and behavioral issues. They may start pecking and feather plucking each other. They may even start eating their eggs and a host of other antisocial behavior. The weaker bird get trampled on too and can suffer from injury, and that bird can even die. By giving them enough space, you are providing for their mental and emotional well-being. A happy chicken is going to be healthier and more productive than a hen that is unhappy and depressed. So take note of this one, it is very important. The number 5th way is parasite and bug. Bugs are not only irritating, but they can be very bad for your hen's health. Mites in particular will suck your hen's blood overnight, and in severe case, this can lead to anemia and death. So if you want your chicken to lay more, just follow this step and do other research to see more. I hope you enjoyed this content. Thank you for sticking with us to the end of the video. See you in my next video. Subscribe to our channel, follow our Facebook page.